Hey, it's all right. Michelle.
Who is this?
Let's go, Mo.
Oh, it's Mo.
Move him, move him, move him. Circle, circle, circle.
Pull it, come on. Drive. There you go.
Elbow down. There, right there, Mo. Right there, half right there. Hold it. Half. Jump side. Jump side and run that.
Let's go. Hey, drop to the hip.
Break him flat.
Small drop hip.
Kick your leg. Kick it. Extend.
What we talked about, hey.
Extend and crossface. Now extend. Extend that leg and crossface hard. Hey, so hip over. There you go. Swing that hip over. Guillotine him. Guillotine him.
Get up anyway. Hip in.
Guillotine him. There you go. Now pull it. There. Guillotine him. Guillotine. Scarf.
Don't give it to him. Let's go.
Guillotine again. Do it again, Mo. Do it again, Mo. 2 hands. Extend and pull that arm. Extend and pull that arm. Guillotine him. There you go, Mike.
Sir, you gotta call it.
Let's go. Towards the turn, Mo. Good period, Mo. Good period. Hey, first move. Right away. Hey, right away. Lock it up. Lock up wrist. There you go. Keep moving. You're out. Now fresh start. Mo. Fresh start. There you go. Now let's get another one. There, pull it in. Right there to his back. Half right there. Now run it. Look where you're at. Pull him on the mat. Mo. Pull him on the mat. Pull him back on the mat. Hey, great job.
Hell no.
Really gotta get out. Oh man, come on down and kill him. Do I stop video?